What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about Gitcoin today, GTC. This is one that I've personally taken a little bit of interest in. This is not at the request of anybody. I just figured I would talk about it today because I've put in a little bit of cash in, a little bit lower than what the price is now, but relatively around this. From the all-time high to the all-time low, we're not even at the 236. 382 is up here at this previous area of resistance. I do think that we will see prices at 310 in a very short amount of time. Maybe by the end of this year, maybe before the halving. Something like that is probably more appropriate. But all in all, you know, without that fib on there, you can see that we're in this area of accumulation. When this breaks, when it does pop, I expect it's gonna do phenomenal things. It's gonna move pretty quick. I actually want to look at the market cap for this thing because I forget what it's at. Yeah, number 425, $67 million market cap. Very low cap coin. It can move a lot in a very short amount of time. Even on its way down, it had these little pops. Right, we just had one the other day. I think that whenever the real deal does happen, it'll be more significant than these little fake outs is kind of my thought on this. So looking at the weekly RSI here, staying out of the oversold zone, nice to see. Not really getting in the overbought zone, more or less neutral, but you've got a bullish posturing right now for sure. As you were forming this base here, let's see, you got lower lows coming in with higher lows in your RSI, so you do have some kind of unconventional bullish divergence. A very technical double bottom, though it's like you're grinding out this whole area, but if you were to draw a line right at this low, it comes in pretty close with this low here, right? And this was your like absolute technical low in itself. So it's nice to see that you haven't gone through like the same price like too many times, but you definitely lingered, moved sideways for a while. I think that we're getting ready. We found resistance on this purple line once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, wrestled it, got above it, finding support time and time again, moving up. I do think that we're going to see some follow through, some bullish follow through. 4 hour looks bullish, daily looks constructive, bullishly postured, weekly somewhat neutral, but with the bullish posturing as well. This could be a good opportunity to kind of like make some decent money, man. Like, I don't know, you don't have to hold it for the whole cycle. Not financial advice. You know, I might hold mine throughout the cycle, but maybe I won't. I don't know. You know, I'm still deciding what I want to do with this thing. Either way, I do think that we're going to see price just explode up to these above $3 areas, somewhere at these like high areas here. So here we are sitting at $1.12. Could see a 3x by the end of the year. It's absolutely possible, if not above a 2x. So that's all I wanted to say. I wanted to put it on some people's radars. You know, I've heard some larger accounts talk about this, like Ben Armstrong has mentioned it before, and I've bought Gitcoin. I had some, man. I bought some over here. I was like trading it throughout this, and then I held some, and it went down. And I sold, I want to say I sold at like, I might have sold this week. This week was the one that like kicked me in the pants. I'm like, okay, I'm going to sell here. And it continued to go down afterwards. But I haven't been in it in a while. I bought some like probably a week or two ago. And now I'm just waiting, man. I think this thing is going to do well. I like the project. I like the idea. But we'll see if it catches on. You know, I think it just came out at the wrong time in the cycle at the last cycle there. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys. If you like the video, hit that like button, hit the thumbs up, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.